I wish everyone a good day. Today I brought a video from SL Dark Warrior YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you how to get more than 2 GB free space from Cedar website. Today in this video I will show you some simple tips and tricks that will help you get more space on Cedar. I think there is nothing to say about the interface of the site. But there are several ways you can do this, the most common of which is to ask a friend to set up Cedar and request space from it. It's like you just do something as a broker and get paid. Anyway, the first thing I will show you is how much you have to pay to buy space. For that I go to the menu at the end and there is something called upgrade at the top of it. It shows how much you have to pay. I will post a screenshot of this to make sure it is clear. Okay, now we have to go to work here. As I said above, Cedar offers a referral program that allows you to invite your friends to join the platform. For every friend who signs up using your referral link, you get an additional 500 megabytes of free space. This means that if you invite 4 friends, you will get an additional 2 gigabytes of free space. In this case, you first click on the second part of the previous menu, which says Earn Free Space. Then you will come to a separate page. You can see it at the top. It has been said. Cedar.cc offers the following methods to get you free space. To get your free space, click one of the options below and you will be awarded for each. When you upgrade, all your free bonus space comes with you. As you can see, there are many other ways to do this, like social media. From there, the only way to do this is to click on Email Friends. Click on the button here and type or paste your friend's email into the menu that appears. That's where we get screwed. We don't have friends, we don't have any mail. So what do we do? The only solution is to use temp mail. Okay, now you open a private tab and do a Google search for temporary mail and go to the link at the top. An email will be created for you and you don't need to do anything. Copy it. Bring it to Cedar and bring it and send it. After doing that, you should go back to the temp mail and now you have received an email saying that you have received an invite. Click on Verify and verify the email. I can't be happy that I have a lot of work now that I have a place. Guys, there is more work to do. If you haven't found it yet, you need to register for Cedar with this email. I don't need to tell them. That's normal. After you have done that, you can go and see your Cedar and you will not see it. Immediately refresh and you can see that 500 megabytes has been added to this. If this is not enough for you, another way to get more space on Cedar is to complete certain tasks on the platform. For example, you can follow Cedar on social media or write a review on the platform to earn extra free space. Today I have taught you some simple tips and tricks to help you get more than 2 gigabytes of free space on Cedar.cc. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to watch more useful videos like this.